Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to MedCode Insight. Hi, I am Nashaba, a certified medical coder. In this video, we will discuss the guidelines and codes related to lungs and pleura along with practice questions to better understand the concept. So without further ado, let's get started. Before discussing the guidelines and codes related to lungs and pleura, we need to understand the important terminology related to these regions. Thoracostomy is a minimally invasive procedure in which a thin plastic tube is inserted into the pleural space. Thoracoscopy is a medical procedure involving internal examination, biopsy, and a resection or drainage of disease or masses within the pleural cavity, usually with video assistance. Thoracocentesis is a procedure to remove fluid or air from around the lungs. Segmentectomy involves the removal of one segment. Lobectomy involves the removal of one lobe. Bilobectomy involves the removal of two lobes, while the pneumonectomy involves the removal of whole lung. The lungs, also known as pneumo or pulmo, consist of three lobes of the right side, upper, middle, and lower, and two lobes of the left side, upper and lower. Each lobe is further divided into segments. The right lung has about 10 segments, while the left lung has fewer than 10. Here are some coding guidelines we need to know while coding for removal of lungs and pleura. Always remember, extensive lung procedure includes segmentectomy, lobectomy, bilobectomy, and pneumonectomy. Report only extensive procedure. When diagnostic biopsy result to determine the extent of the necessary surgical resection, date includes the anatomical location biopsied. A therapeutic wedge resection when performed on the same lobe or lung. When a therapeutic wedge resection is done on a different lobe, then a more extensive lung resection, report the wedge resection with modifier 59. The CPT code range 32,440 to 32,445 is used for reporting pneumonectomy or lung removal procedure. This range applies when two lobes of the left lung or the three lobes of the right lung are removed. The CPT code range 32,480 to 32,484 is used for the procedure other than pneumonectomy, typically involving the removal of one or two lobes such as lobectomy or bilobectomy. An important guideline to remember is that for the removal of two lobes from the left lung, do not use code 32,482 when two lobes of the left lungs are removed. It means the removal of the entire lung or the pneumonectomy is performed. In this scenario, always select a code from the code range 32,440 to 32,445 to correctly reflect the procedure. Thoracocentesis and pleural drainage procedure may be performed with or without imaging guidance. When performed with imaging guidance, instead of using separate imaging guidance code, use the subcodes for the procedure that include imaging guidance. The CPT code 32408 is used for core needle biopsy procedure to remove a core tissue sample from the lung or mediastinum. There are some important coding details you need to know when using this code. This code includes imaging guidance if performed. When fine needle aspiration and core needle biopsy are performed during the same session on the same day, use modifier 59 when both procedures are performed on separate lesion using the same or different types of imaging guidance, or when the both procedures are done on the same lesion but with different imaging techniques. Use modifier 52 when both fine needle aspiration and core needle biopsy of the lung or mediastinum are performed during the same day using the same type of the imaging guidance. CPT code 32560 is used for installation of the chemical agents such as talc into the pleural space for fluoridesis. In cases where the fibrinolytic agent, as mentioned in code 32561 and 32562, is used, it may be administered multiple times per day over several days. Always remember code 32561 should be reported only once on the initial day after treatment, while code 32562 should be used once on each subsequent day of treatment. Lungs transplantation involves three distinct components of physician work: cadaver donor pneumonectomies, bank bench work, and recipient lung allotransplantation. Always remember that for the removal of single or double lung, there is single code 32850. However, for bank patch work or lung transplants, there are separate code for single or double lung procedures. Mr. John is long-standing patient with severe chronic emphysema who has been struggling with frequent respiratory infection and poor lung function despite medical management. He has been on long-term oxygen therapy and has tried pulmonary rehabilitation with limited success. Following multiple consultation with his pulmonologist and thoracic surgeon, bilobectomy of the left lung is performed to improve his quality of life and survival prospects. What procedure code should be used? Option A with code 32440, option B with code 32480, option C with code 32482, option D with code 32442. In the given scenario, bilobectomy of the left lung means removal of entire left lung or pneumonectomy is performed. Based on the type of the procedure performed, we first eliminate option B and C with code used for the removal of lung other than pneumonectomy. As the procedure only involved removal of left lung pneumonectomy without sleeve pneumonectomy, our correct option is option A with code 32440. A 60-year-old with lung cancer developed an effusion that is suspicious for malignancy. Needle aspiration is performed to obtain a sample of the fluid for pathological examination. A needle is inserted between the ribs into the pleural space and the fluid is withdrawn under ultrasound guidance using 1% lidocaine as local anesthetic. The specimen is sent to pathology. Choose the CPT code that reports the procedure. Option A with code 32554, option B with code 32555, option C with code 32555, 76942, option D with code 32400. In the given scenario, a needle is inserted between the ribs into the pleural space and the fluid is withdrawn, means thoracocentesis is performed. Based on the type of the procedure performed, we first eliminate option D with code 32400 used for biopsy or taking tissue samples from the pleura by using percutaneous needle. In all remaining options, code 32554 and 32555 are used for thoracosynthesis. Since the fluid is withdrawn under ultrasound guidance, we first eliminate option A with code 32554, which is used for thoracosynthesis without imaging guidance. Since imaging guidance is already included in the description of code 32555, we don't need to code it separately. Therefore, our correct option is option B with code 32555. A 30-year-old girl has been on the lung transplant list for months and today she will be receiving a left and right lung from an individual involved in motor vehicle accident. The person was dead on arrival at the hospital and is an organ donor. The donor pneumonectomy was performed by physician A, the bank bench work by physician B, and the transplant of both lungs into the prepped and waiting patient by the physician C. What is the correct coding code for the removal, preparation, and insertion of lungs? Option A with code 32,850, 32,856, 32,851 into 2. Option B with code 32,850, 32,856 along with modifier 51, 32,853 along with modifier 51. Option C with code 32,850, 32,855 into 2, 32,850 along with modifier 50. Option D with code 32,850, 32,856, 32,853. The procedure in the given scenario involves the donor pneumonectomy, bank patchwork, and transplant of both lungs. In the given option, code 32,850 is used for donor pneumonectomy. We first eliminate option A with code 32,851 and option C with code 32,855 as both codes are used for procedure involving single lung transplant. We will also eliminate option B with modifier 51 as different physicians separately report each procedure. Modifier 51 is not required. So our correct option is option D with code 32,850, 32,856, and 32,853. Patient has lung cancer in his upper right and middle lobes. Patient is in operating suite to have a video attested thoracoscopy surgery. A 10 mm 0 degree thoracoscope is inserted in the right pleural cavity through a port site placed in the ninth and 7th intercostal spaces. Lungs was deflated, the tumor is in the right pleural, both lobes were removed thoracoscopically. Port site closed, a chest tube was placed to suction, and patient was sent to recovery in stable condition. Which CPT code is reported for this procedure? Option A with code 32,482, option B with code 32,484, option C with code 32,670, option D with code 32,671. In the given scenario, both upper right and middle lobes were removed thoracoscopically. We first eliminate option A and B as the code used are for the removal of the lobes via an open approach. As we know, the right lung has three lobes, and since the procedure involves the removal of two lobes, not the entire lung, our correct option is option C with code 32,670, which is used for thoracoscopy with the removal of two lobes. David underwent thoracic target delineation for stereotactic body radiation therapy. Her course of treatment required 4 sessions. How should the surgeon report this procedure? Option A with code 31,626, 32,701 into 4. Option B with code 32,701, 77,435. Option C with code 32,701 into 4. Option D with code 32,701. In the given scenario, David undergoes stereotactic body radiation therapy and the course of treatment requires 4 sessions. First, we will eliminate option A as the code 31,626 is used in case of bronchoscopic procedure. Code 32,701 mentioned in all remaining options is used for thoracic target declaration, first stereotactic body radiation therapy for the entire course of treatment as mentioned in the scenario, which means it is the right code. Code 77,435 mentioned in option B is used for stereotactic body radiation therapy treatment management by treatment course. We will eliminate option B based on the parenthetical note given below the code 37,201, which state do not report 32,701 in conjunction with code 77,261 to 77,799. Since the code 77,435 falls within date range, we don't need to report it with code 32,701. Code 32,701 is used for the entire course of treatment regardless the number of the session. Therefore, we don't need to multiply it by the number of the session. So our correct option is option D with code 32,701. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further clarification, please feel free to write in the comment section. For more detailed guidelines, CPC mock exam related questions and notes, email me at the giving email ID.